Hello everybody, thank you for watching my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to freeze cooked rice. Here I have already cooked 2 cups of rice. Wet a rice scoop before using, like this. Now break up the rice. First, I will show you how to serve one portion of rice. One portion of rice is usually 150 grams or 160 or 180. If you eat a lot, you want 100, maybe 200 grams. The 1 scoop and 2 scoops. It is said it's a tradition to serve with 2 scoops. This is the way you just eat warm rice out of the rice cooker. Now I'm going to show you how to prepare when you want to freeze the cooked rice. Get the cling wrap ready and place the rice. You don't need to weigh, but today I'm weighing for the video purpose. This is about 150 grams. Okay, now I will repeat. Get the cling wrap and place 1 portion of rice. 1 scoop, 2 scoops. Yeah, it is said if you scoop once or 3 times, it is a bad luck. Then wrap it and flatten the rice like this. Okay, now I will show you slightly different version. When you eat frozen cooked rice, you're gonna microwave, right? And you want to microwave quicker, so you're gonna shape the rice like a donuts. Okay, this is like about 170 grams. Then with the chopsticks, make a hole in the center so that you can microwave slightly quicker. And flatten it. You see the hole like a donuts here? This way you can microwave maybe about 30 seconds quicker. If you want to save electricity, this way I recommend. Okay, now I'm going to show you one more time. 1 scoop and 2 scoops. Then put the rice onto cling wrap and flatten it and make a hole like a donut. Then wrap it. Now I made 4 portions of cooked rice ready to freeze, and it seems I still have 2 portions left, so I'm gonna store in a glass container. This one I'm not gonna freeze. I'm going to eat the rice maybe tonight. So I will just put it in the refrigerator, not the freezer. The microwave. Yeah, it is exactly for 2 portions. Don't waste any grain of rice. Okay, then now again I will make a donut hole like this so that I can microwave quicker. Put a lid on. Okay, put the lid on and put it in a refrigerator, not a freezer. Here I made 4 portions of rice to freeze and 2 portions of rice to refrigerate. For Japanese home cooking, rice is a staple food, so it plays an important role. Rice should be prepared quickly. This way you can have cooked rice in your freezer or refrigerator anytime. Cool down the rice before you put them into freezer or refrigerator. Now I will show you how to prepare the frozen rice when you want to eat it. Just put in a microwave and microwave for maybe 3 minutes. 2 minutes and 30 seconds may better, but I will try 3 minutes. Here I have warm rice now. It's rather hot, so be careful. Use scissors to open the plastic wrapper. Steam come out, so be careful. Okay, and place it into the bowl and break up with chopsticks. Okay, now it is ready to eat. Easy, right?